Hello, my name is Cody. I'm the owner of Texas Strong Foundation Repair here in the Central Texas area. I'd like to take a minute of my time to give a shout out and a great review over to Josh Fulfer at KVF Marketing. We've been working together for the better part of a year now, and let me tell you, the growth that we've been able to accomplish is just absolutely amazing in my standpoint. Josh has helped us grow leap and bounds in our marketing and digital platforms, our lead generation, everything that he's been able to help us out with. It's just been great every step of the way. We are now ranked number 3 for Google for foundation repair and drainage remediation in the Central Texas area. And for those of you that don't know, here in the Central Texas area, foundation repair companies are a dime a dozen. Every time you turn around, you'll see a new company, and Josh has been able to help us rank number 3 in less than a year on the Google platform. We've worked with other companies such as Home Advisor, Craft Jack, Networks, different people providing landing pages for us, pay per call, pay per click, pay per lead. And I would say now, working with Josh, we've been able to eliminate 50% of those other lead gens, those other people promising to help us out, because he's been able to get us in front of people that are actually searching for foundation repairs. And another thing I would really like to discuss is Josh is the kind of guy that's going to tell you how it is. He's here to help you grow, and so he's going to tell you what you need to do to be able to continue your growth, and he's going to tell you what he's doing to continue that growth. And I think that is one of my biggest things that I've enjoyed working with Josh. He knows what he's doing. He's in every definition. He is a marketing guru. He knows what he's doing. He knows how to do it, and that's what he sets out to do. I'm not the type of person to tell you, oh, you really need to go check this out or go with this guy. But if you're looking for someone to help you out with the lead gen, or looking for someone to help you with a new marketing or SEO or just a web page design, I really think Josh Fulfer is your guy. For anyone that is looking for that, I hope this video helped. And I'd like to say thank you to Josh for all the help you've given us.